Today, I'm going to show you how to take a picture like this and like this one, how to digitally restore it or make it look pretty and make thousands of dollars from it. It's that simple. Anyone can copy pictures and sell them on the internet legally. However, legally, it's an important word. What we're doing is taking pictures from the public domain. If you don't understand what that is, let me show you. So basically, the term public domain refers to creative materials that are not protected by intellectual property laws such as copyright, trademark, or patent laws. The public owns these works. The public, okay? Not an individual, not an author or an artist. Anyone can use a public domain work without obtaining permission, but no one can ever own it. So basically, like, someone has it and they've died, or like if you look down here, okay, there's 4 common ways that works arrive in the public domain. So how you get the art in the public domain is the copyright has expired for some reason, something's happened to that person, again, they've died, it's been 100,000 years, you know. The copyright owner failed to follow copyright renewal rules, the copyright owner deliberately placed it in a public domain known as dedication. So basically they're like, hey, you can use it. Some people, it's an honor for someone else to use their work. Copyright law does not protect this type of work. Okay. It's kind of like if you see some of the old pictures that, you know, it's a lot of, I'm going to name any, a lot of these old art, and you see people selling them and you're like, how are they selling them? Because they're getting them from the public domain and they're probably making some little changes or some tweaks. So then they can sell them. You do have to be a little careful though. So you can always look at the Wikipedia. For example, let's look at the movie Tangled. I wanted to use this image. Isn't that such a cool image? But I was just going to use it in my marketing. But, you know, I already knew. We already knew it's owned by Walt Disney. But I was looking it up and I was like, dang it, I'm going to use it anyways. It was just for something small. I was smart and didn't use it. But clearly, something like that, you know, like this, you know, it's not that old in Disney years anyways. And I didn't want to use it. I was gonna completely change it up, but it was still, to me, not that safe to do because it's clearly owned by Disney. So you can also use the Wikipedia to go and look some of your stuff up. So you can be careful, but I'm also gonna give you some sites to help you out. Listen, if you're wondering who is this crazy girl talking about selling pictures online, my name is Shelly Hopkins, and that's what I do. I teach you how to make money online, and especially affiliate marketing. So if you're into anything like that, do me a favor and you hit the subscribe button, then hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I have one of these awesome videos about making money online. And annihilate that stupid like button so it helps the algorithm. Let's get into the video. This really only takes 3 steps. What are those? 1, you're going to find your image on the public domain. 2, you're going to digitally enhance it or make it pretty. And I do photography on the side, so I'm going to show you a site that I know nobody uses. Number 3, we're going to post your image and sell the heck out of it and make the money. I'm also going to show you 2 bonuses at the end of the video. So you're going to want to watch this whole video. 1 is going to be a bonus to make even more money from your image. And then the second bonus is going to be how you can make even more money and beyond. All right, the first place that we're going to start off with is Google, google.com. We need some inspiration. So I looked up public domain artist. There are some examples. Get your blood flowing. Public domain images. Let's see. We don't have to worry about high resolution because I'm going to show you how we can make them look high resolution. Let's do public domain paintings. See, there we go. Now that reminds me, if you click on images, you're going to see a bunch of stuff. But I'm going to stress, you have to be careful because images may be subject to copyright. So you're like, well, Shelly, what the heck am I supposed to do? I got you. Okay. There's several sites. One I'm going to show you is freeimages.com. And I was looking up the Lord's Supper. That one is really popular. Oh, I think I found it on another site. I'm going to show you another site. I like this one. I found that on the other site. The other site is rawpixel.com. But listen. There we go. If you click on public domain, you have to click on public domain. These are already here because I already did this video, but last time I did it without sound. So yeah, I know. Public domain. If you're accidentally on one of these, be careful. You have to be on public domain. So if you look up Starry Night, I'm not really into this old art stuff. So, but I've always loved this picture. Hey guys, if you're into the old art, tell me in the comments, old art. If you're into the new art, put like new art. So I saved this one. Let's do sunflower. A lot of people like sunflowers. And this kind of can be like an old art, and this can be kind of like a new art. And see how this is just kind of, the colors can be kind of bland. I'm going to show you how to explode the colors. But if you're also wondering, let's go back to Google and that one, just because I like that one. I mean, look at the prices of stuff here. And this is just, I mean, we're not going to talk about a specific site. I'm just kind of showing you. But you have to be careful. So let's just use this one as an example. And you can see how that one's kind of different. Let's see how different we can kind of make it. For one, it makes it your own. And for two, it just makes it stand out. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all are gonna love this site. This is a secret. BeFunky.com. Yes, you've probably never heard of it. I do photography on the side, and I use this all the time because it's so easy. And I actually own all that expensive software, but half the time I don't use it. Shh, don't tell nobody. And you don't have to sign in. You don't have to create an account. Let's click on Get Started, edit a photo, start new. See, I was playing when I was doing the other video. Open computer. See, I have it saved. Okay. Now, all of these, to use those, you have to pay for the software. But I don't, so I don't think you should either. Exposure is really all you need. I always brighten big time first. Do some contrast, some highlights, shadows. See, we've already made it look pretty dang cool. Apply. That's really all you need. But since we're on the site, you could crop, you could resize. Color, I'm gonna say for last, beautify. It's kind of cool. A little bit. Sharpen is really cool. Let's sharpen it. See how that, and look at that. Isn't that neat? Yeah, I want to sharpen it. Let's make it different. Okay, I like that. Apply. And then the last thing I want to show you is color. On the last video I did that didn't record my sound, I made it pink. Isn't that cool? I figure y'all love this. It can do all kinds of stuff. So that's what I did. I did pink. Let's say I was just going out there. I can do that. Whoa. Okay. Okay. Huh. I'm gonna go with that. Isn't this neat? Come on, guys. Y'all know that y'all love this. Apply. And then to save it, it's really simple. You just do save, computer. I'm gonna put a 2, save, and that is it, guys. Come on, comment down below if you think this is cool. Just say this is cool. Y'all know it is. Just do it. It helps me, and you get to comment something, and it's cool, and hey, it's free. So just comment it's cool. Y'all know it is. All right, the next site we're gonna go to, guys, is Redbubble.com. You can sell all kinds of stuff on here, but for instance, let's type posters. And you can, this gives you an idea for one, what is selling, how much. And remember what the key is to make sure that your pictures are enhanced, digitally enhanced, made pretty, you know. And you can get some ideas off of here. 24, 22. And if you wanted to look for anything specific, you could do it in the search. My daughter's into anime. Oh my gosh, this is like her favorite. Okay. And this stuff's really popular right now. The Renaissance is really popular. Can I spell Renaissance, guys? Renaissance. That's embarrassing. Y'all had a good laugh at Shelly. I know I can spell it. Okay, we were looking at this earlier. Okay, and you know what the key thing is like I said, is to digitally enhance them. But on this site, you can have an unlimited amount. You can put as many pictures as you want. So, for example, I showed you how to make it all pretty. You know, you could do like the purple version, the pink version, the version that was like where it kind of blurred it a little bit. And then when we edited and it made it really sharp, you could put all of those versions out here. Let's move on to the next one. Do me a favor, guys. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It helps me and it helps this dang YouTube algorithm. Okay, the other side I'm going to show you is actually Etsy, etsy.com. Now, I like Redbubble better, but let's just stick with our same theme with our Starry Night picture. Let's check out this one. Not too bad. If you had 32, let's just say you sold 500. I mean, that's not bad, guys, and it's just art. But that's Etsy. I promised you 2 bonuses. Let's go to the first bonus. All right, guys, this site is the readless.com. THREADLESS.com. Not a lot of people know about this site. I know about these hidden sites. Now, if you want to take your artwork a step farther, this is where you need to go. Threadless exists to help artists succeed. Artist Shop provides the best and easiest platform for you to sell your art in your own customized online store for free. And you're probably thinking, Shelly, you know, there's some hidden fees or stuff. So if you go over here to features, pricing, boom, buddy, 100% free. You make money with art shops and it never costs you anything. We don't even ask for your credit card. Set your own pricing and let us do it for you. How much money can I make? Let's take a look. You could do t-shirts, long sleeve hoodies, and these prices are about right. I mean, this is for if I want something specifically on my hoodie, this is what I pay. So, and this is your profit, and you can do the math yourself. You could bank. You just have to, this is a little bit more work, and you have to create your own store. But it's not like you're thinking with like Shopify or something like that. No. Get that out of your head. Create hundreds of print-on-demand apparel, home decor, and accessory items in minutes. So this, guys, this is a gem. It's totally a gem. Give me a like on this video. Set your own prices, have your own art and shop featured. And remember, you can have all different kinds of the same thing. So this site is amazing. Check it out. Now, are you ready for the biggest bonus ever where you can make money online, guys? Okay, remember that second bonus I tell you about where you were gonna make even more money and beyond? All right, it's what I do, guys, and it is what has helped me be where I'm at and make videos and work from home. And I'm a single mom, and I got laid off from a senior network engineer job, and now I do marketing, and I absolutely love it. And I owe it all to the first link in the bio. So this is a great way to make money online. And I love pictures. I love taking pictures. It's a side love that I love. So this is a great way, and it's fun. And you know what? You can do it on the side. If you love pictures, then I would definitely do it anyways. It's fine. But oh my gosh, you want to check out the link in the bio, because if it has helped me and changed my life, then I know it can help you and change yours. And you're thinking, Shelly, this is thousands of dollars to get started. It's not. It's really not. I promise you that. And it has helped me be where I am today. Small things in life, like my daughter told me the other day that she was so glad that I work from home, because she used to tell me every day when I came home, she missed me because I was working 10-hour days and I was gone. And she was like, I love it that you work at home. And it melted my heart. So, I mean, you could be dreaming about just quitting your 9-to-5, going on vacation, just buying something extra, buying a new car. This will help you. It can help you change your life. And that's extreme. So since it is something so extreme, don't click it and check it out if you're not serious. So if you are serious about changing your life, and I mean, not everything you just push a button and make money. So you have to do the work. If you're willing to put in the work, I'll help you. First link in the bio. And guys, did you subscribe? Did you like this video? If you did, I know you're going to like the next one coming up right up here. It's going to be up here somewhere. So click on that, and I'm going to be in that, so I'll see you in there.